It's hard to know when you're going to need new tires. There's a lot of different factors that go into it, like the weather and driving conditions. But here are some tips that are going to help you know when you might need to get new tires and also how to maintain the ones you already have.
Keep 5 years in mind. After 5 years, it may be time to replace your tires, especially with the road conditions that we have here in Florida.
Unsure if you need new tires? Take a penny. Place it within several grooves of your tire, and if you can see Lincoln's head, that means it might be time. Proper care expands a tire's lifespan. You can increase that longevity by maintaining proper air pressure, performing regular tire rotations, and keeping up with vehicle maintenances. Don't forget to inspect your tires frequently. A good rule of thumb, once a month or before a long road trip.
Now through April 30th, take advantage of the Lexus exclusive tire event. Only at Lexus of Wesley Chapel, buy 4 tires, save $100 instantly, and you'll receive a $100 Visa gift card to the Tampa Premium Outlets or Costco. At Lexus of Wesley Chapel, we offer 24 months roadside hazard coverage, tires that meet or exceed your vehicle's requirements, and expert installation at our certified Lexus Tire Center. Now is the perfect time to take advantage of this event. Call us now to schedule your inspection or service.